Hi, I'm Linton from Sewing Machines Plus in Adelaide, South Australia. Today we're looking at the new Jack JK1377 button sewing machine. Now the 1377 is a Juki number, and Jack have taken the design of the original Juki 1377 and improved on it by adding a direct drive motor, so the machine sits silently until it's operating. Another one of the biggest benefits of the direct drive is you can adjust the speed of the sewing. So we've got it set down at about 800 because this will be used for spot tacking for a curtain customer. Simple operation. We've got foot lift options, so we can have it automatically lift the foot or lift the foot with the pedal. And the basic operations for the customer is either the 8 stitches, 16 stitches or 32 stitches, depending on how strongly the button will be attached and depending on how we will set the stitches. So at the moment we're set on a standard at the rear of the machine here, standard 2-hole buttonhole. If we move across to the next settings, we've got 2, 3 and 4 millimeter cross stitch function. And on the other side, we've got our standard parallel 4 stitch. So basically at the moment we've got it set up on the 2. If we just want to look at the operation of the machine, we hit the heel back on the pedal to lift the foot. There's our basic standard 2-hole button stitch. If we change that at the back of the machine, we'll go all the way to the large 4 millimeter cross stitch. And if we move the lever all the way to the other side, we will have our parallel. We need to go up to 32 stitches, ideally. And then we've got our heavy double stitch. Or if we drop it back to 16 stitches, got our standard 4-hole button stitch. So we simply go back to the 2. Button fits into the button clamp, like so. There it is. Also, the JK1377 is a trimming machine, so it automatically trims the thread. You don't have to snap the threads free. We'll now put in our 4-hole. We'll go to the back. It's only a small 4-hole, so I imagine it's only the 2 millimeter. And we've done that on the X, or the cross pattern. It's a little bit hard to see. And then if we go to our large 4 millimeter, still on the cross pattern at this point, and put in this huge button. Might need to push the opening system back. It's just a bit hard with one hand. There we are. You can see that as it pushes the clamps wider, it also pulls the center clamp back further, so it still centers the button. And this is where we would normally use the crisscross pattern on a nice big button like that. So it's very easy to change the functions, have speed control on it, direct drive, so it's nice and quiet, nice and smooth. And these machines retail at approximately $3,000, including GST, delivered and installed in Adelaide metro area.